do today? I'm watching a documentary about planet Mars. Maybe get off the internet and go to the sea for windsurfing. Yeah, but I kind of want to learn how are we going to make this planet warmer and a bit more habitable for mankind. Yeah, but the water is so wonderful still, and summer is going to be over soon. You know what? I think today I should paint a wall. It's been so long since I've done anything DIY related. Why is the word Martian so easy and understandable by everyone, but for example, Plutonian, it sounds a bit weird? Think about cinema and what a huge impact it has in our lives and the way we speak and in the way we think. If only cinema was scientifically accurate. This I must have heard in a YouTube video before and might had a dream about.